Alright, everybody. I want to say thank you to everybody that has watched my YouTube channel and subscribed and just supported me. Thank you. Look what it has earned me. Look what it has earned me. The Otter Creek Fire Truck. I'm pretty sure it's a 1965 or a 66. We are going to get our facts straight here soon. This is just going to be a quick little video looking at it, and then we'll make another one going through it, showing you the engine and so on and so forth. This is just going to go, this video is just going to be looking from the outside. We're not going to go in any apartments yet. We're going to make another video of that. Check it out, y'all. I might show y'all the inside, maybe. Look at it. This window, I got to roll that window up a little bit. We're missing a little emblem or a siren that was here. Look right here, y'all. This is where an axe used to be. And here, either this was where you filled the tank right here. I don't know. Leave in the comments what this is. I have no clue what it is. Aluminum step. We'll get up there and look at the hoses. The original ladder. Look at the lights. Look at it, man. There was something mounted here. See, there's another one of those right here. Oh, that might be to like kink the hose, maybe? I'm not sure. That was just sitting there. I'm going to get all this cleaned up. Look at all that. Wow. Look at all that stuff in there. I'm going to get all that clean. I didn't realize there was a compartment right there. I don't know what any of that is. I even still got the original tag. Is on it. Yellow tag. A little light here is broke. The original ones here are good. Let's check this side. Yep. J4. Check it out. Definitely different. That's where you put fuel in it. I'll show you that. We're getting to the good part here. There's a little bit of rust. Check this out. This is the handle to release these, go up. And then you can take it, push it back down. Pretty cool. Not sure what that is either. Here we're getting to some gauges. You see some lights over there. What's that one say? pressure, oil pressure, temperature, RPM. Pretty dang cool. Look at this, y'all. This is bad to the A, to the earth. I'm just excited. Y'all want to see what's up there? Look, this window is cracked here. Sad. Otter Creek Volunteer Fire Department. Look at it, y'all. Power of pride. So cool. I'm pretty sure it has all the sirens on it still, what they had back in the 60s. This is just so cool. Leave in the comments what y'all think. This was my big surprise for y'all. I know y'all would love it and like it, what my surprise was, and I appreciate y'all. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have this thing right now. I'm just admiring it. We're gonna go through it more in depth in a day or two, and we'll go from there. I will give y'all a little sneak peek of the inside. That's all I'm gonna give y'all. Alright, I said I'll show y'all up here. We'll take a look on the other side too. Good old wing window right there. Look on this side. Alrighty, everybody. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment what you think. Any advice about it. What you would do with it. I'm debating on whether I should take the fire stuff off of it, the hoses, and put some benches back there in the back and make it a parade truck and paint all this and keep Otter Creek on it. But just get rid of, you know, the heavy stuff, the water tank and all that. Keep all these beds on it and put seats in there where the hoses are and put benches in there so people can sit on it while I drive through the parade. Because I don't have a lot of money to restore this thing like back to its glory days. Excuse me. So leave in the comments what you do. I plan on wanting to use it, get it legal and insured. So leave in the comments what you think. Well, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment. Please subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.